These ultimate thermostats are a leap ahead in technology as they are referred to as the Learning Thermostat. The unit is unique in that it has the technology to watch what you do and to program itself to save you money on your heating and cooling. After a week of observing your habits, the thermostat will learn and switch to auto away and adjust the system to save you money even when you forget. The energy history feature will also tell you how much energy you have used each day. The units can control up to 20 thermostats in the home, but they do not use zone dampers, which means that you are still conditioning the entire home, as the remote thermostats only select which room the temperature is being controlled from. The 4th gen model includes a new larger display, and it is Matter compatible so that it can work with many different smart home systems. It includes a remote temperature sensor to control the temperature based on another room other than where the thermostat is mounted. The brand is a part of Google and can be purchased through their Amazon store. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.